Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create estimates and convert them to invoices in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time, so let's get into it. The first step is to enable estimate feature. Click the gear icon. Under that, you're going to go to account and settings and then go to the sales tab. Under quotes and estimates, you're going to click the pencil icon, toggle create estimates to on, and then click save and done. Step 2 is to create an estimate. Go to the left menu and then click plus new, then estimates. Now you're going to choose a customer, add the dates, and fill in product or service details. You can include quantity, rates, and any message. Click save and send to email, or you can save and close to store it. Step 3 is to convert to an invoice. When the customer approves the estimate, open the estimates. Click create invoice at the top. QuickBooks will autofill all the details into the new invoice. You can modify it if needed, and then click save and send, or you can click save and close. A pro tip: use estimates to get clients approval in advance and track potential revenue. It keeps your sale pipeline clean and professional. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.